you have been using these 5 items completely wrong, and actually number 3 will blow your mind. From kitchen gadgets all the way to everyday household items, these simple mistakes can actually make your life harder and more miserable. So stick around and find out what the last mistake actually is. So let us dive right in. Okay, let's be honest. How many times have you poured glass? How many times have you actually poured juice into a glass and not make a mess? Yes. This is because you take the carton and pour juice and accidentally you make such a big mess. Well, here's the trick. Next time as you pour juice into a glass, try this trick. Put the spot of the carton on top and pour juice into the glass. This lets air in and you'll end up pouring juice as smoothly into the glass. And trust me, you'll thank me later. A fun fact is, you can always try this trick even on a carton of milk. Yes, have you ever opened a jar of peanut butter and to your surprise you find these thick, dry chunks of peanut butter way at the bottom and a layer of oil swimming at the top? Gross, right? It's easy to fix that because in order to have your smooth, spreadable peanut butter, it is quite simple but ridiculous. You just have to store your jar upside down. Yes, you heard me right. This will eventually help the oil evenly distribute itself, and you won't have to fight with the jar all the time mixing it with your butter knife. With that being said, by any chance, if you have forgotten to turn your jar upside down while storing it, always use a butter knife, not a spoon. So, butter knife tick, spoon X. You always want one Tic Tac, right? But somehow you always get 5 spilling into your hand. Well, the Tic Tac box is literally designed to give you one Tic Tac at a time. That little groove at the top of the cup, well, that's not just for any decoration. Just turn your Tic Tac box upside down and open the lid slowly, and there you go. You have one Tic Tac sitting right at the middle of that groove. So try it and tell me in the comments, did you already know this, or did they actually change your life? Picture this. You are under a tree. You're sipping a cold soda with a straw, and suddenly it starts bobbing around up and down like it's playing a game with you, right? It is very annoying. Who can agree with me? It happens that the metal tab of a soda can that's right at the top isn't just for opening. You can flip it around, insert your straw into the middle, and it works like magic. Seriously, how did we not learn this in school? It's unfair. You can always use this trick on a canned coffee can or energy drinks. Alright, real talk now. Not all plungers are actually the same. Most people actually use a regular flat rounded plunger for toilets, but that's actually making life harder. That type of plunger is actually for sinks. For toilets, there's a flange plunger. Flange plunger. This one, it's actually designed with an extra piece of rubber at the tip. This will literally give it a grip when plunging the toilet, and actually it gets the job done way fast. So next time your toilet decides to rebel, make sure you're using the right tools. Here's a tip. For maximum suction, make sure to use hot water on your plunge. This will actually make the rubber soft and hence make it work effective. And we're done. So, which of these everyday mistakes surprised you the most? Please let me know in the comments below. And do not forget to subscribe, like, hit that button, press that notification so you will never miss a single video of learning with us. Until next time.